Hello guys. So today is another day of um insta install blog. That's what I'll call it. Install blog because today I'm going out to do another installation today. But today is not my contract, it's for a fellow installer. And this job is not a one person's job. Because if I'm good in what I do, they called me. So we're going to do this installation today in a health center. Yeah. A 5 kVA inverter with a 5 kilowatts battery and then 6 pieces of 550 watts panel. Before we came here, let me take you back to where we are coming from. This is the popular Douglas market in Imo State, and it's here that my colleague has a shop. He came to pick the panels, inverters, and battery. And as you can see, it's already packed in the bus, the mini bus that we're using to go to the location for installation. And now we are off. To own a solar setup once upon a time was meant for those that had the money, the wealthy class in the society. But these days it's no longer like that. With the introduction of sine wave inverters, you can actually get a solar package that fits your pocket. And being in this field in Nigeria, I can tell you for free that people are not depending more on solar than the normal gen or NEPA, because it's more cheaper, and once you have a good system in your place, you will be able to run almost 247 power. Even most of the petrol stations that are selling fuel for vehicles no longer run on the fuel which they are selling for their businesses. It's now solar for most. More and more people every day are switching to solar for their power needs, and I love this job due to the kind of happiness that I see people get once we have finished our installation, and maybe the system have been running for a week or a month straight. Due to the results that they get, the happiness that are mostly on their faces. That's the reason why I actually enjoy this job. Now we are going into the village, and well, as you can see, the places that we have been passing through, and here, this is a burial, a Catholic burial. So we passed them too. In this community, they said you can't they don't kill monkeys, and we saw a lot of monkeys jumping around, but I didn't get that on camera. Now we are about to get to where we're going to. My colleague here didn't know the exact place, so we're trying to get the location from this guy, the exact location where we're going to mount, do the installation. We have arrived at our destination. It's a health center
in the village. So it's here that we're going to give them a steady light. The position to place the setup had already been communicated to my colleague, so I had to look for the best position to place the panel, and before you know, I went into work mode. So in this installation, I'll be using an angle iron to hang the panels. So I had to go to the roof, then nail down the angle iron carefully so as to not make holes on the zinc. So if rain is falling, it won't seep into the house.
I'm done nailing down the angle iron to the roof with my flash band, of course. You can see it here. To avoid rain or water seeping in to the building. So you can see. So now to put the 6 panel, raise them here.
It didn't take much time to bring up the panels, and I had to arrange them and then do my connections.
Client called and we answered.
So done with the outside, the panel, to finish up the inside. So my colleague has already had the inverter and the battery, the charge controller. So we just did the necessary connections inside the house, inside the health center, and then we are covering up now, covering up the trunking and breakers, and then it's lights on. The inverter is on now, and the charge controller is working perfectly, charging the battery from the solar panels and the zinc, and voila, up NEPA.